feeling excited?
I'm feeling a bit nervous.
No, I suppose it's the unexpected, and I fear that something that I've been doing could have affected the whole team.
Quite sure what to expect, and I'm not really that good with emotional things.
I don't know. I don't have any fears, but you know, like what if you find out something new about you and then there's a learning curve?
I'm hoping to get a better understanding of how my peers work and how I can work in with their strengths for us to work better together.
I suppose what you learn personally and how you can change to make it best for the team. I've never done anything like that before, and I don't know, just learning a lot about myself and the rest of the team and just bringing the team together.
Yeah.
It was just a great experience, and learning about feelings and emotions, which is something you don't always talk about or think about when you're doing a job. So it's cool to bring that into like working environment as well, and not doing it on your own, doing it all together. Yeah, it was really cool.
Found it surprising in the sense that you know, everyone or most of the people actually somewhat aligned with each other.
Time for self-reflection in a really like quick and just a really quick and easy to digest format.
I thought it was a really good session. I think that it's definitely not something that you naturally do in the workplace. You don't really talk about your feelings and how that impacts your success and being in a work environment. And it's not comfortable because a lot of people don't naturally go to like emotion.
It was a fantastic session. It was really good to be able to get to know some of the other team members and find a little bit about what makes them tick. It was really good to hear what was important to others in terms of how emotions can drive some of the decisions that we make and how it reflects in our work.
It was about emotional drivers and feelings. That surprised me. I wasn't expecting that.
Everyone was really on the same page, which I guess was unexpected. Everyone had the same kind of feelings about what would help them be successful.
My top thing was feeling free, and there were some people that felt that as well. To feel like they've got autonomy to try new things in the workplace and suggest new things and try a way that's different.
It'll be really good to be able to do the little worksheet together and just get a bit more of an understanding about what's important to them and how they need to feel at work, because that's important to me as their manager, so I can know that they're well supported and have got what they need to be able to do their jobs.
I think the fact that everyone was really keen to feel supported definitely means that we can all be more open about what we need to help us work and what tools we need, rather than kind of keeping it to ourselves. So I think that that's something that we all could take out of yesterday.
Go for it, it's great.
They go in with an open mind. Some people might be put off at the thought of talking about emotions with their work colleagues, but it wasn't at all like that. It was a really easygoing session, and I think most people would be comfortable doing it, so I recommend it.
Have an open mind, give it a chance, and actually get amongst.
I think take it seriously. So it's not necessarily just about touchy-feely stuff. It's genuinely going to make